Hi everyone. For supper tonight, I'll be making slow cooker cheesy bacon stuffed sweet potatoes. What all goes into the slow cooker cheesy bacon stuffed sweet potatoes? 3 large sweet potatoes, scrubbed and dried, which I've already done. 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. 6 slices bacon cooked and crumbled. 2 tablespoons butter. Salt and pepper to taste. Chopped chives or green onions for garnish. So let's begin. Take your sweet potatoes and prick them several times to allow the steam to escape. I couldn't find decent size sweet potatoes. This was the closest to the size I wanted. They had some gigantic ones, but you want some that you're going to be able just to eat in one sitting, and I had a hard time finding those. As you can see, I have a crock pot liner. I almost always use either the disposable or the silicone ones. Today I'm using the disposable. Put your sweet potatoes in the crock pot, and I'm hoping I can fit all 3 of them in there. It's going to be close. There we go, just fits. Put your lid on, turn it to low, and let it cook on low for 6 to 8 hours until tender. After 8 hours, I took the sweet potatoes out of the crock pot. They are tender, real tender. I'm going to let them cool for just a couple of minutes till I can kind of handle them with my hands. So take a knife and cut your sweet potato not all the way down through. Then we're going to kind of squeeze it open, maybe. And then kind of fluff it with a fork. Took a pat of butter in each. And salt and pepper them. Then the cheese. I'm going to stuff them in there. And then next I'm going to put some green onions. These look really good. And then bacon. And I just chopped the bacon. I didn't crumble it. I like bigger pieces of bacon. Then put these in a preheated 400-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese is all melted. And I may put a little bit more cheese on the top, just a little bit, to bind it all together. So cook those for 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese is all melted. Here is the slow cooker cheesy bacon stuffed sweet potato. Rounding out the meal is a pork chop. Let's see what Dave thinks.
That is a big tater.
That is slow cooker cheesy bacon stuffed sweet potato. And it's going to be really hot.
That's pretty good. I like it. We can do this one again.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.